Okay, we will first show you a tutorial. In one count, your left leg up and your right hand up. Second count, opposite hand, opposite leg. 3, 4, 5. Now, let's do it in fast movement. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start. So students, the activity which we perform is... Good morning students. Today we will be showing you how to do step-ups activity. So we will perform step-ups in 2 weeks. One is slow movement and one is fast movement. So let's start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good morning, my dear students. Today we will be teaching you how to make skipping rope. Due to lockdown, most of the shops are closed, so students will not be having skipping at home. So those who have skipping, they can use video for skipping. Those who don't have skipping, we will teach you how to make skipping rope. Nylon rope, which should not be more than 2 meters, 2 pencils, and surrounding. 1 pencil we have attached. Now I will teach you how to attach the second one. Take the end of the rope and just tie it to the pencil. And attach with surrounding. So you can see, our skipping rope is now ready. Now we will teach you how to do shadow skipping. For this, first you have to hop on your toes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Now hold the hand movement. While doing hand movement, your elbow should be close to your body and you should only rotate your forearms.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Now let's do hand and leg coordination.
1,
You can see the hopping on
3,
toes and just moving your forearms.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Now we will teach you how to do shadow skipping. Now I'm using the rope which we have made. This is for beginners.
1,
See, you saw how to jump. You have to just jump higher and try to touch your heels to your back.
1,
Now let's go basically make skipping rope. You can see you can use your body little higher than the ground and legs are straight. Now let's go to intermediate level. In intermediate level, you only have to hop on your toes. And you can see it's only close. Now the last step is advanced level. In advanced level, you have to do as fast as you can. But pay attention, once the skipping rope and the jump, you have to hop on your toes.
From your right side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now anti-clockwise.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now let's rotate the ball around your waist.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now anti-clockwise.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now join your feet together. Let's rotate the ball around your knees, starting from your right side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Reverse.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now let's rotate the ball around right leg. Starting from your right side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Reverse.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Change your leg. Now rotate the ball around your left leg. Right to left.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Reverse.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Relax. Now let's do crisscross. We will show you basic tutorial in slow motion for crisscross. You have to rotate the ball from your knees.
1,
Change.
2,
Again.
3, 4.
Now let's do it a little faster.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Relax. Now let's move 4 steps ahead and 4 steps back. Starting with your right leg.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now let's move backward.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now let's do it fast.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now let's move 4 steps forward, 4 steps back.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now 4 steps back.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So students, this was the basic tutorial for ball handling skills in basketball. So I want each one to practice this at home. Stay home, stay safe.